The Proxon battery-powered pipe belt sander, RBS-A. For the machining and finishing of railings, pipelines, rods, and other round materials of any shape, made of plastic, wood or metal. For example, railings in stairwells need to be visually refreshed or polished. Welded seams and edges need to be deburred. All surfaces need to be satin finished. Also ideal for producing decoratively ground structures or the deburring of edges. The battery-powered pipe belt sander, RBS-A, always provides you with the right tool for a multitude of applications, also in places where there are no sockets or a cable would be a hindrance. The grinding arm, which can be swiveled by up to 60 degrees, allows the machining of difficult-to-access workpieces, and the special design of the guide roller suspensions always guarantees a sufficiently large wrap angle of the belt. There are no performance compromises. The sensitive control allows adjustment of belt speeds from 200 to 700 meters per minute. The DC motor with permanent magnetic technology offers sufficient power for every occasion. This is transmitted to the drive roller over a robust mitre gear. It is housed in a solid and accurately machined die-cast aluminium device head, perfect for precise bearing of gear components and for maximum durability. The yellow soft component in the grip area is gentle on the hands and ensures that handling and guiding the device is a pleasure in any position. The battery technology used is also the finest. Powerful lithium-ion storage batteries with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts guarantee high performance and long period of use even in the most demanding applications. In addition, there is also a practical range of different high-grade corundum belts with 3 different grain sizes. These are perfectly suited for most applications. On the other hand, silicon carbide sanding belts are used for particularly hard materials such as glass or ceramics. An extra fine satin finishing belt is ideal for perfect surface finishing of metal, non-ferrous metal, and especially stainless steel. Sanding belt change made easy. Simply slide the used belt sideways off the roll. The new belt is put on by slightly pressing in the grinding arm and is automatically tensioned by spring force after the arm is released. Finished. The device comes with a battery, the matching charger, and 4 sanding belts, each with 2 different grain sizes and 2 satin finishing belts. And everything is in an elegant and sturdy polypropylene storage case. Practical. Battery and charger must be used for all Proxon battery-powered devices. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. An invaluable advantage, especially for the commercial sector. Of interest for customers who already have a Proxon rechargeable battery device, the RBS-A is also available without battery or charger. The battery-powered pipe belt sander, RBS-A, a strong solution provider for trade and industry, one of 6 Proxon battery-powered devices made in Europe, a system together. Proxon. Tools with character.